Hi guys! Good morning. Today is Wednesday and it is my second day off. So it's only 8 o'clock in the morning guys. So I'm planning to prepare my breakfast before I do something else. Kasi usually guys, I always forget to have breakfast in the morning. So sometimes I ended up having my first meal at around 12 noon. So it's not really good when you're trying to be healthy and at the same time stick to your regular hours for your meal. So for this morning, I'm gonna have some guacamole, bacon, and wraps. Pero saglit lang kasi my fridge is too full. And I don't know. Right, here you go. So this is the tortilla wraps guys that we're gonna use. My guacamole recipe is very easy and simple, and other people might add some tomato or red onion, but that's up to you guys. Now for our next step, we're gonna need to put a little bit of the lemon. Then put a little bit of salt guys. Then your chili flakes. Now that is done, we're gonna taste it. That's better. Our last step guys is to warm the tortilla wraps. The tortilla wraps that I'm gonna use is the Mediterranean style with herbs. Kasi po, unlike exotic flavor, you can actually use the plain one, but that's up to you. Alright guys, this is my orchids, and if you see that, may bago siyang leaves na tumubo na naman, which is really good. See? And naglagay lang po ako dito ng indoor plant pest defense kasi I noticed na there is some kind of pest na tumutubo po dito sa aking orchids, and I don't like that guys because it will kill your plants. So now what we're going to do is I'm gonna put some orchids mist. This one is very helpful kasi this kind of orchids usually they tend to dry very quickly, and you know when your orchids is dehydrated because you find that all that leaves guys is like an old woman's skin, you know, wrinkled and dry. So I keep rehydrating my plants guys. Nabago po yung isip ko, instead na bukas na po ako maglaban ng mga sapatos, naisip ko na lang na ngayon ko na lang siya gawin. So ang hinalo ko po dito sa tubig guys is chlorine po. Ayan, puro po kasi siya puti, tapos namamansahan siya guys. There you go. Hindi ko na siya kailangan pa na ilagay sa washing. Oh my god guys, malapit na po ako matapos na mag-rearrange po ng bahay namin, and Michael po ay gising na at nag-aayos po siya ngayon sa aming camera guys. May camera kami sa outside sa bahay namin. Look at him.
Hirap pala butasan nito, kayo.
Dapat yung ginamit mo yung pang-concrete.
Hirap siya butasan.
Bakit mo kasi tinanggal? Okay naman sana dun eh.
Muna, di siya kita, layo.
So far guys, ayan po yung aking mga nilabahan ng mga sapatos. Oh, diba? Saka yung mga unan. Then, maingay po dito sa area namin guys, kasi kung nakikita nyo yan, oh, may nag-aayos po sa kabilang bahay. At lahat ng dumi po nila guys napunta dito sa likuran namin. Look at that, oh. Yung mga pebbles. Tapos ako naman ngayon guys ang maglilinis niyan. O diba? Itong aming sala guys, malinis na rin siya. Charing. O diba? Tapos dining area namin. Then ito po yung lahat ng mga pinamili ko guys. Nakastack po siya kasi wala pa po kaming box. Guys, gutom na po kami. So, I plan to stop doing my cleaning at unahin po natin yung ating pagkain. So, meron pa po ako dito guys na dumpling saka yung siomai. So, yan po yung ating lulutuin. Then, gagawa po ako ng black peppered na pork with oyster sauce. So, nung last month, napunta po kami ni Michael sa Asian shop at nag-grocery kami ng mga siomai saka dumplings. Tapos, since isang naman siya guys, isang box ba? Yung ganyan. Tapos, meron siyang 24 pieces. Ang ginawa ko, no, it's not 24, it was 48. Ang ginawa ko, pinagsisiparate ko po siya. Dinidivide ko siya into like 8 pieces. Kaya ito, marami pa po siya natira. Kasi, hindi naman po siya nauubos eh. Sayang lang. So, at least dito, hindi mo siya kailangan na i-defrost lahat. Oh my God. Ang tigas.
Okay, mas-separate naman yan, di ba? Pagka nito.
So guys, ito po yung ating siomai saka yung ating dumplings. Lulutuin na po natin siya kasi ako po ay nagugutom na. My God, may dugo. Paano nangyari yun? Hala, nasugatan ako. Oh no. Right, okay lang yan. Mabubuhay pa tayo dyan. So, sa dumplings natin, steam po siya guys. So, maglalagay lang ako ng konting water. Then, mamaya konti, pag ano na siya, tuyo na, maglalagay ako ng oil. So, para na rin siyang pan-fried na pagkaluto. Meron akong steamer guys, pero hindi ko po siya gagamitin at the moment. My God! Kung nga pala, hindi ko nasabi sa inyo, hindi ko pala naayos yung aming mga kawali. Kailangan kong linisan yung kawali guys. Sabi ko sa inyo, tapos na ako maglinis, pero ngayon hindi pa pala ako tapos. Ay, naku. Oh, mali. So, itabi ko lang muna to. At ito yung unahin natin kasi ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung pagkain. And I need some takip. Is that clean? Yes, that's clean. Ang next na lulutuin natin guys is yung ating black peppered na pork. So, kailangan ko nito. I have to keep my chili dry, so it's better for them na hindi po sila nakalagay sa plastic. So, for this, kalahati lang po ng bell pepper yung kailangan natin. Mas maigi po pag green at saka red para maganda po yung kulay. Tapos na siya na maluto. Ayan na po, luto na yung ating black peppered pork at saka yung siomai and dumplings. So guys, it is time for us to eat our early dinner and late lunch. Ay nako, pag busy ka talaga, hindi mo talaga maiwasan na late palagi pagdating sa lunch. Gaya naman sinabi ko sa inyo eh. So, ito, kakain po tayo ng rice guys, and then later on, we're gonna have some fruits.
Dito na may.
Yes! You come and get the rice na.
Tatay muna lang. So,
Ha? Get the rice day.